So hi lovely people, if you want to know how I was able to create this beautiful Valentine makeup look, then all you have to do is keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pamela, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel, guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'll be doing a Valentine look tutorial, makeup tutorial. So grab your tools, let's do this together. Without wasting much of our time, let's just get straight into the video. So guys, first thing first, I started off by cleansing my skin with my wipes, my baby wipes. You can use your micellar water to do this. Then after that, I went on to use my moisturizer. This is a Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm placing it on my face. So as a beginner, you can use brush for this. Okay, so this is me massaging it into my skin. With moisturizer, you can never go wrong. Apply as much as you want. Okay, so now I'm about to moisturize my lips, my lip balm. After that, I went on to use my primer. So you need your makeup to last long, okay? Because we are going for Valentine look, so you need your makeup to last quite long for you, okay? So after that, I went on to use my Avoir foundation, that is my shade. Okay, a little product goes a long way, guys. No need of packing plenty or excess product. Okay, this is me using my damped beauty blender to blend my foundation into the skin. Okay, guys, please follow me on IG. Thank you. So we are done blending the foundation into the skin. Next is to contour the face. So I'm using a darker foundation of Avoir. That's what I used. So I'm using a brush to place it, and then used my beauty blender to blend upwards, guys. For beginners, you blend your contour upwards. Okay, so this is me placing on my forehead to my forehead to blend it too. Okay, hope I'm making sense. So next, I'm using my lip palette for my blush. Okay, my cream blush. So I'm using my brush to place it on my face, then went in my damp beauty blender to blend the cream blush. Okay, so here you don't even need much product and we are good. Same thing, you blend upwards, guys. You can see how my cream blush is sitting pretty on my face. Then the little product remaining, I used it at the tip of my nose. Okay, so next thing is to do your concealer. Okay, so little product still goes a long way here. You go in again with your beauty blender to blend it very well. So you have to create a smooth under eye so that when setting, it will be very smooth, it will not crack, to avoid your powder from breaking or your makeup from creasing. So now I'm using the same contour and I used on my face. I'm using it to do my nose contour.
So yeah. So I'm taking my time, guys. For your contour, it starts from the bridge of the nose. Okay, I'll do a separate video about nose contouring. Okay, so because I know that many people don't know how to actually do this nose contour of a thing, especially the cream part, cream nose contour, not the powder part. So after that, you can see what I did. After applying the nose contour, I went in again to just remove the excess on my brush and use the brush to blend it. And after that, I placed a little concealer on my under eyes to blend in the concealer and the nose contour so you don't see harsh lines. That's what I did. So now I want to spray my face, and after that I allowed it to dry first, then moved in with my beauty blender to put everything in order before going to set. So what I'm using is Sacha water setting powder. So for your setting, you just need to press in. You press in for your setting to get a good flawless look. Okay. So guys, I'm about to set the entire face, okay, with my powder. For setting your entire face, I think you should actually, not I think, use a powder that is your shade, okay? That will blend well with your makeup, please. So now I'm using a darker powder for my powder contour. The makeup is not done yet. You are looking beautiful now. So this is me using the same powder for the contour I did to do my nose, okay? And this is me doing my powder blush, okay? And the little product remaining, I use at the tip of my nose. Very important. So guys, I'm about to bake. Baking, you place the powder on your face. You don't press in, okay? Take notes, beginners. Very important. So I use the remaining parts to just press on my forehead and the rest of the places. So moving on to my brows, after brushing it out with spoolie, I use a hair wax to place it, to arrange it. After that, use the setting powder on it for it to dry up. Then I used my eyebrow pencil, to draw my brows. Sorry guys. So for here, I'm not doing too much. I'll just outline the brows, then fill it with strokes. That's what I'm doing. So next, I'm using my concealer to conceal the brows. What I'm using is a LA Pro concealer, the shade Found. That's what I used to and concentrate more on the brow bones. That's what you want, okay? And I didn't conceal the top of my brows, only the under. That's what I did. And I use a blending brush to blend the concealer. Okay. So now moving on to do my eyeshadow, and what I placed on my eyelid was eyeshadow primer, okay, a little of it so that your eyeshadow won't break or crack. So I will start my eyeshadow with the brown transition shade, okay. I never go wrong with that. If you check most of my videos, that's what I do. I never go wrong when you are starting with a brown eyeshadow, at least it will match well with your nose contour and you won't see harsh lines there. So I'm building up my eyeshadow. Okay, so I went in again to use my, what's it called, eyeshadow primer. I don't want to do cut crease, so I have to just place it there because I want to apply a shimmer color there, so I want it to pop out well. So that's why I did this technique here. So this is me applying the shimmer color with a flat brush, guys. So to avoid harsh lines, to see where my shimmer color stopped and the previous transition color I placed, I have to just use a darker color to blend everything into the transition parts, to the inner corner. Yeah, rather. So next, guys, I'm using my gel liner to line my lower line. Excuse me doing it so you guys can see very well. So next, I want to use my eyeliner to line the top of my eyes. So next, I went to use my concealer to clean out the edge of my eyes. So this is how to achieve that clean edge that will look like a V shape or so. I know you guys know what I'm trying to say. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you guys grab what I'm trying to say. Then next, I went on to use my mascara to do my lower lash line and the upper one. So guys, I fixed my lashes off camera. It's not always easy to fix lashes when you are doing your video, so I did it off camera. If you haven't seen my video on how to fix your lashes, you can go and watch it on my channel. It's there. Guys, please support me, support your girl, share my video to your loved ones, please comment, subscribe. So when I went on to my lips, first of all I started lining my lips with pencil, and after that I placed a pink shade on my lips. So I went on to use my pencil to blend everything together so you won't even see harsh lines on my lips or so. Then next I use my lip gloss to place on my lips. So this is me using powder to go again through the entire face to dust off excess and make the face to be in a good condition now. So after that I went on with my glow palette or your highlighter palette, and I'm placing a little You guys can see how little it is. And after I'm done placing it on my face, I spray my setting spray and my fix spray on my face. Okay, so guys, this is the final look we actually achieved, looking very pretty and beautiful. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share to your friends and loved ones. See you guys in my next video today. Bye.